Hello, everyone. First, let me thank Michael Dowling and the Northwell team for bringing us all together today and for their continued leadership as we tackle one of the most urgent health challenges that our country is facing right now. Of course, COVID is the crisis on everyone's mind, but at the same time, the pandemic is intensifying. So are many other long-standing, persistent public health issues, including gun violence. You know the numbers. Every day in America, over 100 people are killed with guns. Hundreds more are shot and wounded. And tragically, this epidemic is only worsening during COVID. I'm here today because saving lives from gun violence has been deeply important to me for a long time. When I served as mayor, the most wrenching part of the job was going to the funerals and meeting the survivors whose loved ones had been killed by gunfire. When we talked, I always promised I'd do everything in my power to prevent more tragedies. At City Hall, I co-founded a national coalition of mayors that went head-to-head with the NRA. Against all the odds, we won a lot of political battles, and after our mayors group merged with an amazing grassroots force called Mums Demand Action, we really hit our stride. Today, I'm glad you'll be hearing from two of the leaders of this work, John Feinblatt and Shannon Watts. Together, back in 2014, we launched Everytown for gun safety. And we did it because we knew that if we were ever going to enact stronger gun laws, we needed more than good intentions. We needed a movement. Shannon and John have helped lead it, and together they've built an army of more than 6 million supporters, survivors, moms, dads, mayors, veterans, gun owners, artists, CEOs, and more. Today, Everytown for gun safety helps gun sense champions win their elections. We help raise awareness of the devastating toll gun violence takes, especially in communities of color. We conduct new research because we believe facts matter. And, this is also important, we build bridges to partners in every sector. We take that kind of comprehensive approach because if we're going to save lives, the solutions need to come from everywhere. They need to come from DC and from state houses, from corporate boardrooms and community groups, and from the courts, schools, hospitals, doctor's office, you name it. Today's forum is another step in that direction because it's going to take all of us to bring America's gun violence epidemic under control. So thank you for being here, for standing up, for speaking out, and for inspiring more people and organizations to join the fight against this public health crisis. We all have a responsibility to do even more because if we grow the gun sense movement to include even more allies, we really can save a lot more lives in communities across America.